Hi guys, welcome to Brains and the Beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. So in today's video, it's all about the mix up and blender with the dancehall artist Spice versus her baby father and Shenseea versus her ex-best friend. So the tea is piping hot today. And I'm going to start off with Spice versus her baby daddy. So let's get into the interview that he did with the star that caused all these issues. It says, I found out about the graduation the day before and went straight from the airport to the school. He didn't know I was coming. It was a surprise and it worked. He said, adding that he was essentially glad to be there because his son's mother was absent. The mother of the year was not at her son's graduation, but his grandmother, his aunt, and sister were, he said. She went on social media posting pictures of my son in a red suit. My son graduated in a blue gown. When my daughter saw me, she came over to me. The few days that I was in Jamaica, I took them to visit their cousins and other relatives, and they even spent the night with me. My love for my children comes from my heart, not from my pocket. Lal wrath that his ex, after posting the video of his attendance at the graduation, she took to social media to blast him for his lack of financial support and accused Lal. When we broke up in 2016, I left the relationship with nothing, he started. When we got together in 2006, I had my little business where I would buy crash cars, fix them up, and sell them back. After a while, we made the decision to focus on Spice's career. And I spent 10 years doing that. I was her manager, her roadie, whatever. The only thing I didn't do was to put the makeup on her face. La 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 la. I was a joke among some of the business that if one of Spice dancers took sick, then I would have to go on stage and dance. He explained he decided to invest in himself by attending college and try to assist his kids when he went back on his feet. I went overseas and enrolled in school, so there was really no money for me to send, he said. When things started getting a little brighter, I tried to make contact. It was even to send 100 US, but there was no way to reach anybody because I was cut off. Nobody was speaking to me. Numbers were changed and I had no contact. Lal said that if he could speak directly to Spice, he would tell her, I'm not the enemy, so stop treating me like one. The only thing I want is to see my youth without any animosity. Okay, so that was the interview he did with Spice, about Spice in the Star, Jamaica Star at that. And Spice said she's not going to sit by and let him slander her name and try to say she's a bad parent. So Spice went on live, and I watched the whole entire live, mind you, because I wanted to make sure I come with straight facts, okay? And Spice came with receipts from 2015. Spice showed receipts where he said that he broke up with Spice, but in truth and fact, Spice showed messages that showed him begging her to come home because Spice claims that she was the one that left the house and didn't return. But she have receipts, so I can't even use alleged. It's a fact. He also said that nothing ever did go on for him and he lost contact. Spice showed where she had the same number for 10 years because that's how people book him, and her number is in her bio. So if he really wanted to actually be in his child's life or get in contact, he could have. So that one was debunked. And one thing Spice made very clear is that she bought about 20 iPhones between two of her kids within the last year because that's the type of phone they want. And she said the neighbor where him have, they watch out her nigga eye and could have get the kid's number from the neighbor because she lived at the same place for over 10 years also. And he's saying that the mother of the year was not at the graduation, trying to paint Spice as a bad parent. And Spice said if it wasn't for her not being there making money, her child couldn't have gone to the graduation because he has never sent $1, not even by a 1.99 Walmart book, because him claim not never there go on for him. And that's a famous line that a lot of Jamaican men like to use. Nothing not go on for them, so something fi go on for the woman or the mother at all times. No woman can just left them pitney high and dry and say nothing not go on for them. They would be the worst thing on the earth walking if that was the case. So Spice come with nothing but facts and proof, and throw out the pictures, the screenshots, the receipts, and then he went on social media and had this to say. Him say how Spice tie him. I don't know how Spice would have tie Brockman, because Jamaican woman must tie Brockman, you know, and all these things. And he claims that the screenshot and the messages are fake. I actually went on live and made sure they were real. You can see at the top of the message it says January 15th, 2015. So Spice have her receipt. Okay, she came with proof, not just talk and word of mouth.
And you come talk, say you have things can post anything you want post, because remember when me did there, me never in my right mind. So because you had me under a spell, I don't know what you did to me, but guess what, Father God set me free. You know what I mean? And yes, Richie Feelings know everything. No, Grace, it's not Richie Feelings. RT, Nardo Smith, RT, your spiritual advisor, the one you make do all of the something them for you, all of the things them where me don't know about, where you're deep in, and them things that you have to talk about, man. Just go and big up yourself, Grace. Enough of that. You say me a deadbeat father. Alright, Grace, me a deadbeat father. Me accept say me a deadbeat father. Are you willing now? Are you willing now to make this deadbeat be in kids them heartbeat like when used to be? Because that is all me always want to be for my youth them. And you know that, you know the truth. Except so me a deadbeat father. Are you willing now? Are you willing now to make this deadbeat be in kids them heartbeat like when used to be? Because that is all me always want to be for my youth them. And you know that, you know the truth. So what you are trying to say? Bash me all you want, come out with all your negative, but this is what I say. Post anything you want post, because guess what? Me and you know so me never in my right mind. Because guess what? That tie something the way they do to me, Father God set me free. I pray enough in a grace. Rub out my knee up them, you know. You see me I say? But if you always make the people them know, say, I know God you get your blessing from. You know what I mean? Don't make me get deep. Have a good day.
Big up Spice and big up her doing her thing. Being a mom, a working mom, is no joke, and it's always a balancing act. And you can tell that Spice works very hard and works hard for her kids. So big up to Mama Spice. Keep doing what you're doing. Keep raising your kids. No one can take that from you. But the mix-up and the saga continues because Nicholas, he keeps going on social media, and Spice is saying if he say one more wrong thing where she don't like, she a put up every screenshot and everything and show all her business out her road. So let's get into the whole shenseea fight, and it's this one sticky. It mix up. But the whole thing started from a picture of our beloved dancehall princess Shenseea, ex-best friend Moya, or Faith, not Faith, her name is Faith, with her face having a big cut on it, girl. Like, that will take very long. That will take a while for better about our skin clean and pretty and all these things. All she need a little bit of cocoa butter, work it out. You better before she married. Anyways, everybody has been alleging what happened, and people are saying the alleged tea is that Shenseea went to a party, a river party, and I'm going to insert the clip of her in attendance that she actually posted on Instagram right here. Boop. that is Shenseea at the river party, the same river party Faith was allegedly at. And she claims the alleged tea is that Faith was at the party Snapchatting and posting videos and stuff, and Shenseea walk up behind her and box her in her face, and then Shensea's bodyguard pushed her off and Shenseea went about her business. So when the river party ended, allegedly, they said that Faith broke one buckle and was trying to run up on Shenseea, but the bodyguard actually pushed her back, and that's how she got that cut on her face. That's the alleged tea, and it's all about 300k alone. That's how the friendship ended. That's how everything hit the fan, and they've been dashing word upon one another on Instagram for months now. So this is how it all came to a head. So Jada Kingdom, and as you guys know, me love Jada Kingdom. I love her voice, I love her music, dropped some gems on Twitter and was speaking, and she said, been I tell them from a long Ross time, say, yeah, the fakest person me ever meet in my life. Me well glad them wake up now. And then she said she's glad she stayed to herself. Then she said she easy for boost up, and you can tell that anything and that run gone with it. Same so she easy for fuck. Whee! What a thing. Them said people have been saying that Shenseea fuck our way to the top. But anyways, that's none of my business. And then she went on to say, well, if me have a best friend, we have 4 other real dear ones for years, and she and all of them fall out with foolishness, then why me I go stick around? Cause if me blink me eye too fast, she a go say me cut me eye, and she just need one of her yes man them fi say yes are true, and I eat that. Them here when me start talking, cause me did tell them, see there, if you weren't in the circle, then you will just never get it. It just way deeper than what y'all think. Trust me. And then Shenseea went on Twitter and said, at Jada Kingdom, you know, tell them about the time where you sleep with me man. Drops mic. Dead. Everything cut off right there. So Shenseea clap back. Okay, so Jada, you're going to need to answer to this one right here, because Shenseea man, because I just saw Ramesh on stage and Ramesh was disowning her, said they're not together. So this one is kind of sticky. Okay, and Jada, we would like to know who is her man. Who is the man that she's claiming that you slept with, honey? Don't be one of them women that will sleep them way to the top in a dance hall, cause it don't look good. Them dash you away after a while when them use and abuse you. So all this mix up, all this blender, and all now we can see the video of the fight with Shenseea and Faith. And Shenseea is claiming that we are getting stale tea, because all know she cannot see a story where actually come close to what really happened. So Miss Shenseea, if we're getting stale tea, ma'am, we're going to need you to actually give us some fresh tea. The cup are waiting. We're waiting for you to pour, okay? You know, like the English woman them do, and then sip them tea. So they wait for you to pour out the real tea, honey, if ours is so stale. Okay? Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Leave your comments in the comment section below. Pitch on a tent, because me think more is out there.